Turn on your computer and check the screen if you can see what key you have to press to run UEFI setup. On most of computers it's an F2 key, but it can also be a Del key, F1, F10, Escape or other. Check your computer's manual if you're not sure. To enter the UEFI setup, keep pressing F2 key before Windows loads. If Windows starts to load, then you know it wasn't the right key or you pressed it too late. Some computers will not show you what key you have to press. On this Acer laptop, it's also an F2 key. If you can't access UEFI setup this way, you can try to do it from Windows. On Windows 8.1, press Ctrl C to open the charm bar. Now click on Settings. Then click on Change PC Settings. Click on Update and Recovery, and then on Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Then select Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. Click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Now click on Restart. Your computer will restart and run UEFI setup. If you want to install Windows 8 in UEFI mode, the pen drive or DVD you're gonna use will have to be formatted or prepared different from the pen drive you would use on your BIOS computer. Some computers will not even see your pen drive unless it's been formatted correctly for UEFI installation. And same things with DVDs. Here I have Windows 8.1 in a USB flash drive and a DVD, prepared for a UEFI installation. On this computer I can see the DVD and a pen drive only because they've been formatted and prepared for UEFI installation. I can change the boot order just like I would do it in BIOS, or I can enable boot menu for one-time boot option. If you fail to boot in UEFI mode, disable Secure Boot. On some computers, you have to set supervisor's password first to disable Secure Boot. After disabling Secure Boot, clear the password or write it down. Last thing you want is to set a password and forget it. What if you want to boot from your old CDs, DVDs or other devices? Well, don't worry, you can still boot from them. Most of UEFI computers will have a legacy BIOS mode. This mode will let you boot from your old CDs, DVDs, pen drives and hard drives that have been formatted to be used with a BIOS computer. All you need to do is look for a boot mode and change it from UEFI to Legacy. On some computers it might be called CSM, so it might say something like Enable CSM, Launch CSM or CSM Boot. When you change the boot mode to Legacy, restart your computer to apply the settings. Now you can boot the old way, just like on your BIOS computer. This video is sponsored by Majual, your video capture solution.